Growing up in Blackpool can be tough.
More than a quarter of young people in Blackpool live in poverty.
In March 2018, there were 533 children who needed to be cared for by Blackpool Council, which is 3 times the national average.
We have twice the national level of school leavers who aren't in a job or education.
But we have a plan.
To change the odds for young people.
By making Blackpool a more resilient town.
The Google definition for resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties or toughness.
However, as a young person, I feel that resilience is coming out of a bad situation better than you went into it.
Resilience is such a good thing. It can help in so many ways. If you're ever having a tough time and you look at our resilience framework, you can make yourself feel better by making a resilient move. Some of these can be really easy. For example, have a laugh or lean on others when necessary.
HeadStart Blackpool is creating a resilience revolution.
We are creating a pathway that will teach people all about resilience.
The resilience pathway is all 42 of our resilient moves from the framework, shown on paving stones and laid along Talbot Road from Dixon Road down to North Pier.
Having the pathway in Blackpool will help the community come together.
Tourists will stop and realise that resilience isn't always as hard as you may think.
If you just follow these small steps.
Quite literally.
The pathway will also inspire more young people and families to join the resilience revolution.
This pathway will make a difference to your children, friends, family and the community.
So why don't you help us make Blackpool a more resilient town?
HeadStart is a big lottery funded programme that helps young people overcome tough times.
The pathway is a fantastic new idea, led by young people, but wasn't part of our original bid. We feel so passionate about the idea that we've started a fundraising campaign.
A campaign to raise £20,000 to cover the cost of the resilience pathway.
Contributing to our fundraising campaign couldn't be easier.
Just log on to spacetime.com/resilience pathway.
So dig deep.
Every little bit will help us reach our target.
You can become part of our resilience revolution.
By creating this lasting legacy
For our great town.
For more information, search Resilience Pathway on Facebook.